Do you want to make over $350 per day from dropshipping business in Amazon? We will discuss with my manager in India how we do this currently in 2021. Sam, are you here?
Yes, I am here. Okay, if you see the screen, we already sold around $35,000 last 20 days around. For statistic, I can share my screen about the statistics. Okay, as you can see that I just took September 13, okay, because we started around this time. So let me just click over apply. As you can see that we have sold around $33,000.
Welcome back to the channel. I am Vitan and I left my job as a software engineer 7 years ago and started my online business. Now I have a team of 27 people in India and have done e-commerce business with them. Let's go with Sam, the manager of my team. Okay, this is for 20 days only?
Yes, this is for 20 days. It's 13, as you can see here.
Okay, awesome. And what's the profit here in percent?
Minimum profit percentage around 20% and maximum there will be around 50%. So more or less you can take it as a 25%.
Okay, what you will tell to our audience how we create our Amazon accounts? Is there have any trick?
See, be honest with you, there is a lot of people try to start dropshipping and somehow they are not able to execute their dream in reality. The reason behind it, initially they are pretty much active, but when days gone they will be demoralized or something like that. So I will advise those newcomers that when you plan to start Amazon dropshipping, so there is a few several things and tricks which I want to share with you guys. Like, whenever you sign up with Amazon Seller Central, don't take individual account, take a subscription of professional account. Why? Because if you took professional, then you are able to win buy box very quickly, which is most important to bring sales. And another big point is, when you create a Seller Central, you might be suffer with account suspensions, because Amazon give you a notification that your product don't have sufficient information, so they will suspend your account. So for that, what I advise you, first purchase some low range product, let's say $1, $2 from some suppliers, and bring the invoice. And after then, keep it in your pocket or keep in your book. And once Amazon asks you for the invoice, you can send that one. In that way, you will able to reinstate your account. This is the first important thing. And after then, when you come to see that your account is active, then you start again with account season. This is something also very important. People want to start getting sales in very first day, which is not good for Amazon dropshipping business. So at least you have to spend around 3 to 4 weeks to mature your account. And for that, what you need to do, start getting some sales. And once sales comes, try to see this on time and just following the Amazon metrics. You can find their metrics on account health section. So you have to follow all those things, that late shipment rate, tracking, updating, and pre-fulfillment cancellation rate, and so on. A to Z claim, negative feedback. So about feedback, as a newcomer, might be you don't have any feedback. So for that, what you can do, you can purchase a feedback from the market. There is a lot of service provider who is giving these services for purchasing the feedback. It might be initially took you $20 to $50 to bring the feedbacks, at least 2-3. Okay, so once you have feedback, once you spend 1 month in your Amazon seller account, then you can boost your sales and you can bring easily $350 profit. I'm pretty much sure about that. Right now I'm showing that account which we started around 20 days back. And as you can see that we already sold $33,000 around. And if you just measure it in 25% profit, so you can understand that how much profit it is.
Thank you very much about this information, Sam. Before asking you next question, just remind to our audience to subscribe to our channel to receive more information for Amazon, eBay dropshipping, advertising in Facebook, SEO, WooCommerce, and etc. etc. If someone wants to start in Amazon dropshipping, what he can do?
It will be better as a newcomer. I will advise them to contact us support@smpro.net and for our mentorship program, and we will guide them over there.
Please contact us on support@smpro.net. Okay, what's next? Give me some more information about the dropshipping, about the suppliers.
Okay, this is the one of the most beneficial point to make money. Okay, and I don't believe that in all over the YouTube people are sharing these things with newcomers, because this can help you to make more money. Okay, about supplier accounts, basically we are using Walmart, Sam's Club, Amazon Business Prime, and Home Depot. Let's talk about Sam's Club. Okay, right now, in Sam's Club, there is a few tricks you can follow. Okay, so about supplier accounts, I mean, there is a lot of YouTube content you will find, but they will never give you those tricks which we are going to give you now. People are using Walmart, Sam's Club, Amazon Business Prime, or Home Depot as a supplier account. Okay, but also there is a few tricks which can make extra profit for you. Let's take a reference of Sam's Club. So whenever you're going to purchase from Sam's Club, you have to pay the shipping, and after you have to pay the taxes. Okay, and if you pay taxes and if you pay the shipping fees, then your profit will be decreased. Okay, so how to recover that money? So first thing, you can purchase a tax exempt account, which might cost you around $200 to $250. Or if you have your own LLC, then you create your own tax exempt Sam's Club account. This is the one thing. And second thing is that if you purchase from Sam's Club one item, it will add the shipping cost. But if you add two different product while you purchasing, and once you place the order or fulfill the order, just after 1 minute or something like that, you can cancel the extra order which you don't need. In that way, you reduce your shipping price, or it will be 100% free. Okay, so in that way you can make up good profit. And also, if you have some extra money, you can take Sam's Club Plus membership, which can give you around 22 orders. Yes, 22 orders, which is free of cost shipping. Okay, for your reference, I would like to share one picture. Okay, so see, this is one of my recent orders. As you can see, I have added 4 items, which cost me $119.76. And you can see that shipping costs are free. But if you see here, it has a sales tax around $10.78.
Okay.
I just purchased this because I want to show you guys about how you can make profit. So let's assume you have done with sales tax. You have the tax exempt ID. Okay, so you can cleanly make $10 or around $11 profit. However, you already have profit in behalf of $130. But if you get extra $10 from this order, then it will be more beneficial for you. It will add more percentage in your profit ratio. This is I mean to explain. This is the thing about the tricks, and hope it will work with you. And if you don't work this trick with you, just email us support@smpro.net. We will help you over there.
Okay, thank you very much about that. Don't forget to comment below in our videos. Just it's very important for the algorithm, and also we will reply to all your questions. Okay, Sam, how many people work with you in India currently to support our clients and our web stores?
Right now, Our team is around 39 people, who is dedicated, only 39 people dedicatedly supporting Amazon dropshipping, and there are another associates who supporting eBay and Walmart dropshipping. So right now we are started growing. So yes, we do have some big team actually.
Is it possible if someone wants to start Amazon dropshipping on autopilot, just to receive support from our side? Do you have some extra space for new clients?
We always welcome our new clients. So if they have any issue or they need support from our end, as we are supporting A to Z support, so he will get each and every support from our end. So before we take client, I would like to mention few things that what I need from client end, what we need actually.
Okay,
because,
it's very good to know what we need from the clients. Okay.
Yes, first thing is that we need our seller central access. We do not need the login access, the master admin login details. We need the child account access. To give us a permission, what you need to do, you do not need to give us your super admin access. You need to go to settings. You can see under settings there is user permission. You need to click over user permission. Then you need to put our email, and then you need to send an invitation. Once we accept your invitation, then you need to give the access of your accounts. So how you get that? You need to click over manage permission, and you can see here is the option. You need to give us the view and edit access. And about supplier account, if you not from USA, or if you don't have a US credit card or US address, so we only can support you from Walmart. But for Sam's Club, for Home Depot, and for Amazon Business Prime, you need to create your own account.
Okay, thank you very much about that. You can place the orders without any issue from Walmart, is that right?
Yes, that is right.
And our clients, you can help them to receive the money from Amazon, to create account, to give you permission to list the items, to serve the orders, to speak with the clients. If someone receive a message from Amazon that seller account is closed, is there any way to help him about that?
Yes. Okay, about account suspension, you need to I want to make sure that whenever you're doing drop shipping, there will be a certain chance for account suspension. However, we are working in that way so that you never get closed. Actually, we will take care about everything, every single thing very carefully. So if unfortunately account gets suspended, we will help you, because we do have some service provider. They are helping us to reinstate those accounts, so you will get definitely that support from our end also.
Okay, if they are suspended, they can contact us about that, and of course it will not be free, but we have something in the pocket. We can help them with that.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, thank you about your time, that you always help to the audience, and please don't forget to watch the video that Sam's show our bigger account and how we made over $350 from Amazon, the video here. Thank you very much, and we will see you again. Bye bye, Sam, for now.
Bye bye, thank you.